At the Jackson Lake Lodge, a room full of progressive activists vent their frustrations about the U.S. economy.
My quality of life is already jeopardized. It's already jeopardized. Who hears us? Who hears us?
Several floors above, a group of central bankers discuss the world's economy. They set monetary policy and control interest rates in their countries. Rates, one economist argues, should remain near zero in the U.S.
Leaving the current monetary policy that allows for expansion is really important. It's really critical.
Crises are coming.
Just down the road here in Wyoming, conservative activists have a very different message for world bankers. Higher interest rates encourage banks to lend money, and that boosts economies, unlike, they argue, what's happening now.
Banks are only going to loan money out to people that they are guaranteed to get their money back, i.e. the wealthiest corporations and the wealthiest and most politically connected institutions.
That disagreement over interest rates on the sidelines of the Economic Policy Symposium is part of a larger debate about the role of the world's central banks in stimulating economic growth. Growth that's been very uneven these days. Derek Laney from St. Louis, Missouri, says higher rates now will put the brakes on hiring in the U.S. by causing fewer businesses to borrow and invest.
We can sustain up to 4% or higher inflation. I say those huge segments of the population that have been left out of this recovery would be willing to pay more for a loaf of bread if they can have a job with a decent wage.
Like fiscal responsibility.
One college student thinks central bankers have too much power, that low interest rates in the U.S. haven't been the economic answer.
We have to be creative and think of something new, and unfortunately I don't think we are in a political state right now for change like that.
Interest rates may not get the headlines that taxes or many other issues do, but
monetary policy affects people much more than all those other policies combined because they affect the entire economy.
People are fed up.
It's a message that's coming through loud and clear here this week. Hendrik Sabrandi, CCTV, Jackson Hole, Wyoming.